Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're comparing three popular travel eSIM providers, Airalo, Holafly, and Maya Mobile. Which one is the best for your next adventure, or which is the best, or what is the best international eSIM provider? Let's find out. First of all, a quick introduction. Now, Airalo, first of all, offers eSIMs for over 190 countries, making it one of the most extensive providers. Holafly focuses mainly on popular travel destinations with competitive pricing, and Maya Mobile here promises seamless connectivity in a wide range of countries with flexible plans. So let's start with Airalo right here. It provides an easy setup process. Just download the app, choose your destination, and activate your eSIM. The app itself is user-friendly, and you can track your data usage effortlessly through the app. Now, here it has extensive coverage, competitive pricing, and a straightforward setup. However, some users do report inconsistent customer service, and data speeds can vary depending on the country that you are going to. Now, let's talk about Holafly. Holafly offers an easy setup similar to Airalo. Their app is intuitive and they provide excellent customer support, often praised for quick and helpful responses. They have great customer support, as I told you, reliable data speeds, and competitive pricing for popular destinations. Now, the cons, they do have some, including slightly less coverage compared to Airalo and sometimes higher prices for certain countries. Finally, let's look to Maya eSIM or Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile's setup is also simple and straightforward. Their app allows you to choose flexible data plans and manage your usage easily. Now, it has lots of pros, such as flexible data plans, wide coverage, and strong connection reliability. However, some users find the app less intuitive than Airalo or Holafly, and customer support can be a hit or miss sometimes. So, which one of the three should you choose? If you are traveling to a less common destination or need extensive coverage, Airalo here might be your best bet. If you prioritized customer service and are traveling to popular tourist spots, Holafly could be your better choice. Finally, if you want flexible plans and reliable connections, Maya Mobile is a strong contender in this category. Now, whichever one you choose, the three of them offer excellent service. It all comes down to your priorities. Now, one thing I need to note before using or before thinking about using an eSIM provider right here, make sure that your mobile device supports eSIM. Now, most recent mobile devices do support eSIM. However, just go on Google and type in your mobile phone's like model. So for example, if I have an iPhone 14 or 15, ask Google, does iPhone 15 support eSIM? And they'll give you the answer.